Hi guys. Today I will show you how to make logo like this in Canva for free. Let's start. Open your Canva in laptop or in your mobile. Go to custom size and select 5000 by 5000 pixels canvas. Go to elements and click on shapes and select one triangle. Rotate it, resize it, and change the color. Make duplicate and change the color same as your background color. Go to Element and search Curve and select this one. Rotate it and adjust the size and adjust at the top of V shape. Make duplicate and adjust it on the other corner. Switch on the ruler guide from setting and check the alignment of both curves. Select all elements and make it in one group. Again, click on Element and search Dumble, and select this dumble. Crop this dumble element and make it duplicate. Flip it horizontally. Again, go to Elements and search Curve or Arrow. Select this arrow and crop it from both sides. Now grab this dumble shape and adjust it with curve shape. Select dumble shapes and curve and make it in one group. Also change the color of dumbbell element. Now select all elements and make it in one group. Go to text and write your company name or logo name. Give it to the same color. Go to Share and save this image as a PNG file. Now I will remove the background color of this logo. Go to Google and write Remove BG and click on this site. Upload your logo here. It will remove automatically his background. Click on Download and save your logo. Now open Photopea and click on Templates. Here you can make the mock-up of your design for free. Select the mock-up, which one you like. It will take some time to upload. Double-click on this box when it's uploaded. Hide this old logo from this I button. Go to File, click on Open and Place, and upload your logo. Adjust the size and place it in the middle. After that, go to File and click on Save Smart Object. When Smart Object uploaded, click on this layer. Here is done. Your mockup is ready to save. Click on File, then click on Export As, and save as a PNG or JPG file. Here your logo is ready with mockup. Thanks for watching.